is the link?
Down below.
The link is in the description below. Buy from there. Buy now.
Like, share, and subscribe. 6, 7.
6, 7. 6, 7.
Hi, and today we received a
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. We received a new thing in a package.
What is it? What is it?
It is this thing that when...
Let me read. Okay, so this is toilet UV sanitizer light. Yay! So what does it do?
And when you close your toilet, it cleans the toilet by itself.
You fix it with the toilet cover and then you close it for some time and then it cleans itself. Let's open it.
Okay, let's open it. Okay, guys, I'm trying to cut this, but I'm having a little
Trouble opening it?
yes, I'm having a little trouble
Okay.
opening it. Okay.
We opened it. Yes. Take it out, please. Ooh.
Oops. Okay, now you can see it. And our
Instructions.
and you could and even there are some things that you put on the toilet.
Yes.
And then you could stick it on here.
Yes.
And it would work.
Then you would close it. You would close it for some time.
And then it would clean up.
Yes. This is a
This
UV
is the
light cleaner. Charger.
This is the packaging. It was
Okay.
very nice. It looks like a pool. For some reason.
Yay! And show us the actual product, please.
And this is the actual product.
Yay! Wow.
And if you're wondering, I didn't break this. This came broken.
No, this is not broken. This is to fix with it.
Oh, look.
Yes.
Wait, look. I made it.
Ooh.
And you could take off this thing and then it would stick.
Okay. And this could work for long. And where is the link?
Down below.
The link is in the description below. Buy from there. Buy now. It is available on Amazon. Buy now.
And if you were watching very clearly, when I just turned this on, did you see how it flashed?
Yay! It did. Yes. So it started working then. Yes, that's how it works. Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe. And I also found, and this it can also peel off. If you want the clear screen.
Okay. Yay! If you want the clear screen, you can peel it off. Subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe. 6, 7.
6, 7. 6, 7. Bye bye.